Hello everyone, this is Stephen Balch, your instructor for Computer Information Systems at Ozarka College. Today what I'm going to do is give you a little bit of feedback on the Module 5 activities that I finished grading earlier this week. And then I'm going to tell you give you a little bit of feedback on the midterm exam, which closed last night. And then I'll tell you what we've got coming up due for our next set of activities. Alright, so the first thing is, like I said, I did finish grading the Module 5 activities earlier this week. If you haven't gone in and looked at your grades for those activities and read the corresponding grading comments, go ahead and do that as soon as possible. Let me know if you have any questions. Overall, most of you did very well on those activities, and like I always tell you, I really appreciate the time and effort that you're putting in. So keep up the good work on that. Now, I did notice for some reason on this set of Module 5 activities, there were 2 or 3 of you that didn't get all the activities submitted by the due date. Just as a reminder, it's important to start on the activities early enough to give yourself plenty of time to get them completed and submitted by the due date. It's also important to log in to the course page on a regular basis. Usually, I would recommend at least once each day, just to kind of remind yourself of what the work is that's due for that particular course. So make sure that you're checking all the due dates and staying on track by at least logging into the course page in Ozarka once each day. Hopefully those of you that didn't get the work submitted this time will kind of get back on track for the next set of activities. If there's anything that I can help you with on that, just let me know and I'll be glad to help you. Alright. The midterm exam closed last night. And I have gone in and looked at the grades for those. Most of you did very well on the midterm exam. So I was very pleased with that. So keep up the good work on that as well. I have opened up the exam for review purposes. So you can go in and look at the questions that you missed and study those concepts for the final exam. Okay. So spend some time reviewing that exam. Let me know if you have any questions about that as well. I posted the midterm grades this morning. So go in and look at your midterm grade as soon as you can. Let me know if you have any questions. It shouldn't be any surprise. Basically, I just look at whatever your percentage grade is and basically give you the equivalent letter grade for midterm. I don't round up at all at midterm. I will consider that on the final grades, but for midterms, I just look at whatever your grade is and basically enter the corresponding letter grade. Okay, but let me know if you have any questions about your midterm grade. All right, that brings us to what we've got coming up due for our next set of activities. So if we go to the activities page in Ozarka, right now we're on the end of week 8, kind of towards the end of week 8 of the semester. And you notice there's nothing else due this week, but we do have work due during week 9, which is next week. All right, specifically, you've got the Module 6 activities, the assignment, test, and discussion, all due by Friday of next week, which is October 20th. All right. So don't wait until next week, or especially the end of next week, to get started. Go ahead and start now and give yourself plenty of time to get those activities completed. All right. Module 6, by the way, covers the components of the computer. All right. So you'll learn about the various components of the computer, including processors. You'll learn how data is represented and stored inside of a computer. You'll learn about various types of memory, types of adapters, and then towards the end of the chapter, you'll learn about how power is supplied to all of those internal components of the computer through the power supply. Okay, So that's what Module 6 is. There's a lot in Module 6, a lot of terms that you probably don't know, or you may have heard but you don't really know what it means. And so you're going to learn about a lot of the technical terms for computers and technology in Module 6. So go ahead and take the time to go through and use the learning resources, the PowerPoint slides, of course the textbook, the related videos that I have on the assignment page. So make use of those resources that you have. And like I said, as you're working through the Module 6 activities, let me know if you have any questions. I'll be glad to answer any questions that you have. Other than that, I don't have anything else for you. So enjoy your weekend and next week. And I will talk to you probably the next time I talk to you will be not next week, but the week after. Okay? So I'll see you then. Thank you.